Have you ever paused and wondered, why does parenting feel so hard even when our heart is filled with love? Why two children raised in the same home by the same parents can be poles apart? Are you one of those who wish children could come with a manual? If you resonate with these thoughts, then this video is for you. Namaste and welcome to our series of Mindful Parenting. In our series, we will debunk the common parenting myths and help you enjoy your parenthood. Today, we are going to explore simple yet effective ways to build the bridge of understanding between your child and you. But before we talk about solutions, we must understand certain fundamentals of child development. Number 1, the blend of nature and nurture. Let me break it down for you. Every child is born with a unique personality which is shaped by their genes. Some traits may resemble the mother, while most resemble the father. Their strengths and weakness, their emotional intensity, and inclination comes from the DNA. This means a child whose parents are good at sports will naturally be good in the same field. A child whose parent is an extrovert and a public speaker will grow up to be a social butterfly. Now let's understand nurture. Nurture is the outside environment that shapes a child's behavior. A few to consider are your parenting type, level of involvement, style of communication, and language development. Nature provides the biological blueprint, while nurture shapes how the blueprint is expressed. And the two are inseparably linked in shaping your child's behavior and development. And this is the reason why children born in the same family, raised by the same parents, can be completely different. This is also the reason why one-size-fits-all manual cannot help all the time. Here is where the parenting challenge begins. The desire and awareness. Desire is the strong feeling of wishing something to happen, while awareness is when you make a choice based on the information, facts, and understanding of the situation. The biggest disconnect we witness between the parent and the child is that parents operate from desires, while children respond from awareness. Parents focus on what they want to see, and we always judge the child's behavior based on the desire. Children act from what they actually experience. This is where the nurturing comes around for us. When the desire speaks louder than the awareness, the gap widens. So how do we fix this gap? We shift the way we parent. Let's understand how to build the bridge. Number 1, the art of reasoning. Reasoning is the greatest gift you can give your child. Keep your reasons short, simple, tied to a purpose that they can see right in front of them. Acknowledge their feeling, hint the behavior, and say your expectation. Let me give you an example. If your child is talking way too loud after their playtime, all you have to say is, "I know you're back from the playground and you're still excited. Could you please lower your voice?" Don't forget to listen to your child. Allow room for negotiation. It is not disobedience. It's purely problem solving for your children. This is nurturing. When children understand the why, they cooperate with the what. Number 2, let's have achievable targets. While you set your expectation, let it be achievable. For example, handwriting. Instead of saying, "Let's work on your handwriting so your scores are better," give a purpose for today. Say, "Let's make sure your letters touch the lines today." Remember this. Children value quality over quantity. 3 lines of beautiful handwriting makes more sense to them than a whole page of repetitive work. Confidence builds consistency. The most powerful parenting shift is respect and acknowledge your child's personality. If your child hates the taste of vegetables, don't argue with their taste. You will reject their personality. Rather, acknowledge and negotiate respectfully. I know you don't like the taste of vegetables, but let's at least eat 3 spoons so you will be healthy. It is as simple as this. Parenting becomes simpler and growing up becomes safer when a space is built not on fear but on respectful reasoning. When children feel respected, resistance disappears. When they feel understood, they cooperate. To recap on the parenting shift, the mantra is simple. Acknowledge the personality, set your expectation, negotiate with respect, guide the change with patience. Parenting isn't about control. It's all about connection. For more effortless parenting insights, join our community. In our next video, we will dive deep into how to connect before we correct. See you soon. Thank you.